New here at 6. Check out this time lapse showing the construction progress on a new intermediate school in Port Neches. And we were there today as principals and superintendents got their first look inside. The district's getting a new intermediate school, one in Groves and one in Port Neches. The new buildings will be state-of-the-art, complete with media centers, new gymnasiums, and classrooms.
Yeah, all much-needed upgrades. If you can believe it, the students are currently in buildings that were built in the 1950s, Jordan. Whew.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. It's our current elementary schools are reaching 70 years now, so we talk about this as being a 70-year build and what it means for our community. We believe Port Neches and Groves are absolutely the best communities out there to raise children.
And tonight at 10/12 News reporter Cameron Seibert takes a deeper look at how the district plans to change the different grade levels that are in each building and what the new construction means for the community as a whole.